everybody. Thought I'd make a little video of everybody who is here right now. Hi, babies. So those were our most recent rescues, and there's one hiding in the back there. The white one. And these were the rescues before them. And then these were the ones that were dumped last night that are sick. And then these are the tiny babies with Reba, who's buried underneath them. You almost, come on, kitties. And of course, Fred's like, hey, what about me? Hi, Delta. She's been helping us with the kittens. And there's Rosa. And here's Paisley. This is Sam, who was also dumped. She's a house cat and a sweet girl. She was dumped at that same place. And there's Beulah. And up here is, hey, baby.